Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to talk about how to get a body like James Bond by focusing on how Daniel Craig got in shape for the Bond films. Getting into shape like Daniel Craig will not be easy and it will take time and dedication, but if you stay disciplined and follow the information given in this video, you will start to see progress and realize it is possible. First up, we are going to talk about Daniel Craig's training routine. To start off, you are going to want to lower your body fat percentage. Daniel Craig had a very lean but muscular physique for his role in the films. To maintain a lean physique, you are going to want to do cardio 3 to 4 times a week. The cardio exercises I recommend are jogging and jump roping. Jump roping is an extremely underrated cardio exercise with loads of benefits. Improves your cardiovascular fitness, strengthens muscles, improves balance and coordination, and builds your bone density, to name a few. Now, when it comes to strength training to build muscle, you should train 5 days a week with 2 days for active recovery. When getting in shape to play Bond, Craig focused on more compound lifts. Starting the week on Monday, he would train full body along with cardio. The exercises he would do are clean and press, weighted step-ups, squats, pull-ups, dips, and push-ups. On Tuesday, Craig would train chest and back. Craig would do bench press, incline dumbbell bench press, push-ups, and cable flies for chest. For back, he would do pull-ups, rows, and chin-ups. On Wednesday, Craig would take a rest day, which included light stretching. On Thursday, Craig would train legs. For legs, he would do squats, deadlifts, weighted lunges, hamstring curls, and calf raises. On Friday, he would train arms and shoulders. For arms, he would do bicep curls, seated hammer curls, dips, and cable tricep pull-downs. For shoulders, he does shoulder press and lateral raises. In addition, he will do another cardio session today. On Saturday, he would repeat the same full-body workout from Monday and a cardio session. On Sunday, he would take another rest day with active recovery such as stretching. This was what a week of Daniel Craig's training regimen looked like. Next, we will talk about Daniel Craig's diet. We will go through what a normal day of eating looked like for Daniel Craig. For breakfast, he would eat eggs and 2 slices of whole wheat bread. For his first snack of the day, he would have a protein shake with fruits and nuts. For lunch, Craig would rotate between fish or meat with brown rice and a baked sweet potato. For snack 2, Craig would have Greek yogurt with nuts and fruit. For dinner, Craig would rotate again between fish or meat with vegetables, such as spinach or broccoli. Now, you don't have to eat exactly what Craig eats, but it's important you eat a healthy, balanced diet. The last part we will talk about is recovery. If you are increasing your amount of exercise, you will need to take more time to recover. It is important that you get 8 to 9 hours of sleep each night and take time to stretch and foam roll, so your muscles recover. That's how you can start to train and eat like Daniel Craig. Your transformation will not happen overnight, so it is important you stay consistent. To change your body and your lifestyle, you have to also change your mindset. Keep pushing, and thanks for watching.